plans. This is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope you enjoy this plan with me. If you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Today for the base, I'll be using this rose gold foil kit from Sadie Stickers called Home Body. You see that I'm pulling in the one of the bow headers from the bow header sampler, and then using the rest of the headers that came with the kit to fill out my 4 sets of headers for this week. Just following my usual pattern. I think I'm actually only using three sets of headers this week. The bluish gray one here that came in the kit, the patterned one in the kit, and then the tealy blue that came in the header add-on. I'll pull in the other headers that came in the add-on as well as with the kit into other spreads or leftover spreads, and also in the sidebar, as you can see here, with that darker brownish red color. I apologize, you can see my hair there a little bit in the frame. I didn't realize that until just now, but I think we'll all live. I did struggle a little bit with this sidebar this week just because I forgot that the Sadie Stickers kits do include the little extension section of the bottom washi that extends into the sidebar section, and I definitely wanted to use that this week, so I had to reposition some things in my sidebar. Here I'm just pulling in one of the squared off half boxes with the beautiful foil feather in the corner, just for my grateful moment of the week, which we'll get to in a little bit. And then I'm just pulling in a month script for the month of February from Wendy Prince, again in rose gold, as you can see right there. I'm just using my tweezers to place that down above the full box on the top of the sidebar. The date numbers that I'm using are again in rose gold from the Glitter Mama. I'm just pulling those in again with my tweezers for each of the days onto the date covers that came with this kit. You'll see me reposition my sidebar here in a little bit. There we go. Yep, pulling that up and then getting that ready to reposition that extension of the sidebar right there, and then I'm going to fill in the gap in the sidebar with a few of the leftover headers, which you'll see in a second. It was kind of an up and down week this week. Started off kind of rough and ended on a good note. At the beginning of the week, you'll see on Monday was a bit of a rough one. Monday the 15th was President's Day, so it was a work holiday for me, so I did have the day off. However, my kitty was a little out of sorts this day, so he was waking me up early in the morning, and just I couldn't figure out like what he needed, kind of thing, so that was a little bit frustrating. Eventually he just kind of ate and went back to sleep, so I think he felt better after a while there. I was also having a really bad day with my period on Monday, so I marked that with a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji and a cramping script in rose gold from one of the period or one of the like sickness sampler sheets, script sampler sheets, from Glam Planner. They make these really great themed script sampler sheets that are mini binder size. So I had the sort of sickness one, and cramping was one of the scripts on there, so I pulled that in on Monday. Tuesday was a better day. Oh, by the way, if you have any specific questions about stickers that I might not mention or might talk over, feel free to leave any questions in the comments and I'd be happy to help. Also, if you have any questions for me in general, planner related or otherwise, please feel free to leave those in the comments as well. I'd love for you guys to get to know me a little bit better, and to build our little community here on YouTube. So love to get to know you guys and have you guys get to know a little bit more about me. I'm pulling in some bougie into this spread, again in rose gold confetti. Those I pulled off of a roll from Rose Color Days per usual. I think some of these might be from Glam Planner, but I'm not entirely sure. I really apologize for my hair. I didn't realize it made such a prominent appearance. You can tell I just washed it and it's still wet. Ugh. That's gonna bother me. Anyway, let's see. As I mentioned, Tuesday was a better day, although I did have a headache. I used a headache script again from that same Glam Planner sampler, and the coffee cup is from the Coffee Monsters Co. We did have school on this day following the Monday President's Day holiday, and I pulled in a homeschool script from Sticky Essentials to mark that with a little ABC chalkboard foiled icon from I can't remember if it was an oops bag or a grab bag from Letters to Apollo, but one of those. And then something kind of exciting on Tuesday, I submitted my Lakeshore order for next school year. Lakeshore is the company that we get all of our supplies from, like school supplies through the county from. So it was a little bit weird having spent the whole year thus far virtually and buying supplies like puzzles, paint, glue sticks, sensory manipulatives, all that kind of stuff that we use in the classroom. It was weird buying that stuff when I haven't been in my classroom, in my physical classroom, for months now. I mean, let alone with kids. So that was a bit weird, but it was nice to be doing something somewhat normal and something that was very clearly focused on the return to physical in-person teaching. It was like a light looking forward to next school year, hopefully in person. So that was fun. Kind of a feeling of a little bit of normalcy there. I also went to get my emissions inspection done on my car on Tuesday. I used a little blue car icon from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy to mark that. I got my emissions inspection done because I'll need to, because I needed to renew my registration. My registration on my car expires next month, so that's been something on my to-do list for a while. So I was able to go to my little body shop near my house, get my emissions inspection done, in and out in 20 minutes, and then I was able to use my receipt to go onto the DMV website and renew your registration. Blah blah blah. So that was fun. Not fun, but productive and kind of a relief to get that off of my to-do list. And that is the base done. I'm just filling in my sidebar a little bit. You'll see that I was tracking reading and weighing in. I didn't weigh myself every day. That was more just to remind me to try and stay on track with eating and moving and stuff. So the read script in the sidebar is from Scribble Prince Co. and the weigh-in script is from Station Stickers. The YouTube script is from Harriet Wright Designs. I just used that weekly tracker to track what I was doing for YouTube each day. The Grateful For script in the sidebar is from Kinsey's Creations. I just use that to mark my grateful moment of the week. There you can see me filling in my sidebar there. The pen that I'm using is the same that I always use, the Pilot in black, Pilot G2 in black in the small 0.38 size tip. On Tuesday evening, I started watching Bridgerton and promptly finished it. The next evening, I finished it on Wednesday evening. The first season, I started it. I started it on Monday and finished it on Wednesday, maybe? I don't know. I started it and finished it within like 2 or 3 days. There's only obviously one season out so far, so yeah, I didn't put a sticker there because I have since ordered some Bridgerton stickers and some Schitt's Creek stickers from Once More With Love, and I'm going to fill in some spaces in this spread once those arrive. If you want to talk Bridgerton in the comments, feel free. If you want to talk anything involving spoilers from the first season, message me on Instagram. I think I underestimated that show, and I'm really enjoying it, so I can't wait for the second season to come out. I did also watch The Bachelor on Wednesday evening on Hulu. That script is from Letters to Apollo, and I mark it, as I always do, with an icon from Franny Lamb Stickers. Thursday was exciting. It was an unexpected snow day. I used a snow day little box from Once More With Love to mark that. The day off script is from Glam Planner. I washed our sheets. The icon that I used for that is a little cat washing sheets from Mixie Cat Stuff. If you are interested, I do have a coupon code for their shop. You can use code Caroline15 for 15% off of your Mixie Cat Stuff order on Etsy. I'll have that code listed and a link to their shop in the description. Let's see, Friday morning I uploaded, what did I upload? Oh, I uploaded part 1 of an organization series, I guess. It's only 2 videos, but an organization project that I split up into 2 videos. I uploaded part 1 of that on Friday. The little YouTube icon that I used to mark that is from Samantha May Sticks, and the script is an upload one from Harriet Wright Designs. For my grateful moment of the week, I'm marking my husband's promotion. He got a promotion, and we celebrated that on Saturday evening. That's what I'm marking there, with the little hugging couple from Once More With Love, and that same Grateful For script from Kinsey's Creations. We worked on our taxes this day. That script is from Glam Planner, and I used one of the emojis from the adulting sheet from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that in. That laundry script is from Letters to Apollo. I used the same Samantha May Sticks icon to mark filming this Play With Me. That script is from Letters to Apollo. And I used a But First Coffee script on the top of Saturday from Samantha May Sticks as well. Sunday morning I started with a tidy session, followed by editing this video. I did some meal prep, FaceTimed my mom, and then filmed a haul bit. That little envelope sticker is from a Paperella story. And I ended the day very exciting by changing her cat box. That sticker is from Samantha May Sticks. And the weekend banner is one from Glam Planner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Have a wonderful, safe, and happy and healthy week. Bye-bye.